Hey guys, how's it going? It's Mike with A&M here. Today we are going to tear down a metal shed, move a concrete brick border out of the way, and then cut a few metal poles that are in these customers' yard. Here's the first thing. It's this metal shed. First thing we're gonna want to do is get all this stuff out of there, which there's a lot of stuff in there. So I'm gonna have to discuss that with the customer. They said there was barely anything in there. And you got this whole shed that's got to come down. Back here is a concrete wall that looks a lot bigger than it did in the pictures as well. So that's something I'm gonna have to discuss with the customer. And then right here is a metal pole. Not sure if there's any power connected to that. And they said it was a little satellite dish pole, but it looks like there's a big chunk of concrete hanging on that as well. So now we're just gonna talk to the customer and then tear all this stuff down. All right guys, I stopped the time lapse because for some reason there's like an animal tail in here, which I thought was weird, but then over here is another one. So I don't know if that's a squirrel or what, but something got killed in here. All right, we're gonna get back to it. All right guys, so I was gonna tear down this wall, but I just want to show you how many cockroaches are behind here. Absolutely crazy. They are everywhere. They were real bad over here. See all of them? Ugh. This is why you don't let stuff go for so long without taking care of it. Alright, so now I'm going to cut out this post. I'm going to dig around this one a little bit because you want to cut it below the ground. This one's on a concrete block around it, so I'm going to probably just try to dig that whole thing up on this one. All right guys, as you can see, the shed is completely tore down. There was actually some footers and everything on the bottom of that, so it ended up being more of a pain. Over here we took out that entire wall. They actually built the fence around it, so now there's a hole in their fence, but that's not our problem. And then took out these poles just as the customer wanted, so they should be happy with everything. So yeah, this took about 4 hours to do, and I'm absolutely exhausted right now. Me and my dad, who's 68 years old, did it, and he literally is not loving me so much right now. But we got it done. I had my scrap guy come and pick up a lot of the metal. We charged them $575 cash for this, and then when we got here there was stuff in the shed, so we charged them an extra $100. Do you guys think that was a good price? Let me know in the comments what you guys think, and if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification button, and thanks for watching.